Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at this Google Pixel collection that Google sent me. Basically it's a Pixel 7 Pro and the Google Pixel Watch. Now this is just a quick unboxing of this collection. Inside we have an envelope and this is the phone itself, Pixel 7 Pro, and the watch. We also have this mirror here, teampixel. This is the Pixel watch. This is a great watch. This is the phone, the Pixel 7 Pro. It's a great phone and in my opinion it's the best Android out right now. Here we have the power button. Here we have the volume buttons. This is my old Pixel 6 and the power button is actually lower. Now let's power on the device and take a look. The display is a bit curved here. On the left side we have the SIM tray. On the bottom we have the speaker and the Type-C charging port. Another microphone here. And we have the triple cameras here. Now let me just power on the watch. Inside of the Pixel 7 Pro box we have a USB-A to Type-C dongle and we have a Type-C cable which is Type-C on both sides. And on the Pixel watch box we have the paperwork here on the bottom, and basically here we have the charger for the watch, which is Type-C on one side and the other side which is magnetic, and we have another wristband. So yeah, that was basically it. I will talk about this phone in another video. This was just a quick unboxing of the Google Pixel collection. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.